Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon, and today, since we haven't opened Flesh and Blood in a while and the new set is already out, I figured we would open not the new set, but instead a box of heavy hitters. Because logic. So without further ado, let's see what we get, let's see what we pull, and let's see if we're happy with what we pull or not. Once again, lovely paper boosters. We do like those. So without further ado, let's see what we get here, and as usual, I will be skipping through the regular cards. A Rawhide Rumble Rare, Reinforce the Line, and a foil Test of Might, as well as a Betsy skin in the game. This card stock really feels different to the other ones. Quite interesting. And not in a good way. But this can happen all the time. Let me double check the focus real quick. Should be fine. So let's continue. Don't want another one of those short-sighted videos, let's call it that. So we have a pack call here, a foil edge ahead, and a coercive tendency. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. 24 packs, as usual. We get a Lay Down the Law, Cut the Deck, Foil Rising Speed, and an Olympia, as well as the token. On to the next pack we go, which has a very weird cut. Not sure if you can see it in the middle. We get a Clash of Might and over the top, stacked in your favor, and we get a Kaio, Armed and Dangerous. Ooh. Marvel. Very cool. And then on the back side you get the full art. Very nice, very cool. On to the next pick we go. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we can top this. Probably not, but we'll certainly try. Get a Beast Mode, a Blade Flurry, Majestic, Foil Bonebreaker, Bellow, and that's it here. On to the next pack we go. Let's see what we get here. We're gonna take the upper hand, pay up, Majestic, a Wage Gold in foil, and that's it. On to the next pick we go. We'll get a Wage Gold, a Clash of Vigor, foil Pint of Strong and Stout, and that's it here. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get here. Of course, ideally we want equipments. Test of might is what we get here, and a fatal engagement and a foil rising power. Equipment, or well, what we pulled, marvels. Marvels are great. They also look good. Here we get a stacked in your favor, take the upper hand, and a foil hold them. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get. A good time, chapeau. Run into trouble. A foil run into trouble. And for the cold foil, a high riser. Let's see if I can capture that a little. Should be fine. On to the next one we go. We'll get a test of agility, stacked in your favor, a foil wage agility, and that's it here. On to the next one we go. We'll get a hood of red sand, battered not broken, and a foil wallop. On to the next one we go. With a wage gold, a beast mode, and a foil cut the deck. And that's it here. And on to the next pack we go. With a wage gold, a pack call, foil fatal engagement, and that's it here. Next pack. It's really sad to pull everything good in the beginning. Let's see what we pull here. We get a wall of meat and muscle, take the upper hand, foil rising energy. That's it here. On to the next pack we go. We get a test of vigor, a beast mode, a foil hold'em, and that's it here. On to the next one. We get a rawhide rumble, a reckless charge, majestic rising speed for our foil, and that's it here. On to the next pack with enthusiasm, as always. We get a down but not out, bet big, majestic, Betsy specialization, lead with heart, foil, and that's it here. Still a few packs left. On to the next one we go. And we get a smack of reality, cut the deck, foil test of strength. And That's it here. On to the next one. We get a rawhide rumble, a clash of might, and a foil command respect. 4 packs left to go. Let's see what we can pull out of those. A clash of figure and then over the top foil draw swords. That's that. On to the next pack we go. Third to last pack. We get a monstrous whale, a down but not out, foil funk. That's it here. Second to last pack. Maybe something exciting. Maybe not. Let's see. We get a Miller's Grindstone, a pack call, a foil lead with speed. And that's it. Down to a last pack. But are we down with our luck? We will find out. And of course I need to switch every card slower than before. Or maybe not. We get a hearty block stacked in your favor. A foil, majestic, nasty surprise. And that's it. So there's 3 more boxes waiting, which we will of course open in the near future. So thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, as usual, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I'll be seeing you at the next one.